सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। सर्वेभ्यः दुर्गाष्टमी पर्वणः हार्दाः शुभाशयाः। Have a blessed Durgashtami and Navaratri all of you. Like I mentioned in the previous class, we are all very fortunate and blessed that during this Navaratri we are learning the entire Bhakti Yoga, that is the 12th chapter of the Gita. We have completed the first 11 verses in the previous class, 20 verses, and with that we will complete the entire chapter. Today, in case we have some time, I will give you an opportunity to chant individually. Before we begin, I am getting some messages that the video is blurred. Just give me one moment. Let me try to rectify that, and then I will begin with the chanting. Just give me 1 minute. Sarvebhyah namaskaraha. Welcome once again to class 65 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. Shamyatam, sorry, I think there was some issue with the connectivity, so probably you all couldn't hear very well. So I was saying that we are very blessed to have commenced Bhakti Yoga this Navaratri, and we are going to conclude today. We have 9 verses, and hopefully with the blessings of Gurus and Bhagavan Shri Krishna, today we will complete the 12th chapter. In case there's time after that, maybe we could also have some individual chanting today. In any case, next week we are going to have Punaravartanam, that is revision of the complete chapter, the 12th chapter, and individual chanting. Many of you have attended the session on memorization. And hopefully you all have started memorizing. So the Bhakti Yoga is a small chapter, 20 verses. I was telling you, maybe you can try and memorize this chapter by next class, so that when I give you an opportunity to chant individually, whoever could memorize could chant the verse individually. So that would be a good practice also for you for the final assessment. Let us begin. Gururev gatir gurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Sarasvatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrita Varshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvam anusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya प्रदीपः मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनै योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। A quick recap of whatever we learned in the previous class, that is the first 11 verses. Then we will begin learning from the 12th verse onwards. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Dvadashodhyayah Bhakti Yogaha. Arjuna Uvacha Evam Satatayuktaye Bhaktastvam Paryupasate Ye Chapyaksharamavyaktam Tesham Ke Yoga Vittamaha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Mayyaveshya mano ye mam nityayukta upasate shraddhaya parayopetaha te yukta mamataha ye tvaksharamanirdesyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvat Tragamacintyam kutasthamchalam dhruvam sanniyam yendriyagramam sarvatra samabuddhayah te prapnuvanti mameva sarvabhutahite rataha. क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम् मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततः मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्. Let's begin from the 12th verse onwards. Rama Shankar Bhagini. Those who can share the webcam, please share the webcam, the panelists. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात्
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात्
ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते
ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते
ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः
ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः
त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्
त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम् त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्.
उत्तमं भगिनी. Here jnanam abhyasat bha is mahaprana, jnana dhyanam dha is mahaprana. Here again dhyanat dha here is mahaprana, and tyagat chantiranantaram, so cha here is mahaprana. Here shreyo hi jnanam, so that is what we call the dvitvam, the double sound, so we chant it as shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते
ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्
ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम् ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम् क्षान्तिरनन्तरम्।
धन्यवादः भगिनी, उत्तमं. Next one also, please stay unmuted. अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानाम् अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानाम्
मैत्रः करुण एव च
मैत्रः करुण एव च मैत्रः करुण एव च
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः
समदुःखसुखः क्षमी
समदुःखसुखः क्षमी समदुःखसुखः क्षमी.
Yes, so here adveshta sarvabhutanam, bha is mahaprana, maitraha karuna evacha, visarga followed by ka, so jihva muliya, you chant it as maitra karuna, you don't chant it as maitraha karuna, you chant it as maitra karuna evacha. Nirmamo nirahankaraha samadukha sukhaha. So here ka, please note mahaprana, dukha, note the pronunciation of the word. The visarga is heard, though not completely as duhu, it is again a jihva muliya. So dukha sukhaha. Here we chant the visarga completely because, like I have told you, it's a rule of pronunciation that whenever a visarga is followed by ksha, the visarga is chanted completely. Please note this, and you have to chant the visarga completely here. Sukhaha kshami. Sama dukha sukhaha kshami. This is a great verse from the Bhagavad Gita, and one of the verses which used to be stressed on by Sringeri Jagadguraha Shri Abhinava Vidyatirtha Mahaswaminaha. So one of his favorite verses, we can say, it has a very beautiful, very great meaning. Adveshta sarvabhutanam. Sarvabhutanam, in all beings, adveshta, without having hatred. So not hating any being. Maitraha, friendship. Karuna is mercy or compassion. Nirmamaha, without having the feeling of mine. Nirahankaraha, without ego. Sama dukkha sukhaha, which means balanced or even-minded in joy and sorrow. In joy, in sukha, and dukkha, in sorrow, in happiness and unhappiness, being samaha, that is even-minded or balanced, or treating both with equanimity. Shami, shami is forbearance or forgiveness. So all these qualities, which is why I told you 12th chapter, Bhagavan speaks of all these great qualities which every devotee of his has, and such devotees are very dear to him, he says in the next verses. So this one verse, it has so much of message, universal message, which is evergreen. So which shows how the Bhagavad Gita spreads like universal love, tells people to love everyone equally. So let us learn this again. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karuna eva cha.
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी.
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः सुखः क्षमी निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी
उत्तमं भगिनी. Next one also Rama भगिनी. सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी
यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः
यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः
मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः
मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः
यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः
यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः
सन्तुष्टः सततं. When you combine both, it becomes santushta satatam. Santushta means content. So here visarga sakara sandhi, santushta satatam. Satatam yogi. So you can either chant it as satatam, anuswara completely, or satatai yogi like we chanted. Yatatma dridha nishchayah. The first the is alpa prana, second is mahaprana. So dridha nishchayah. मय्यर्पित मनो बुद्धिः. ध is महाप्राण. यो मद्भक्तः. भ is महाप्राण. समे प्रियः. मे प्रियः dear to me. Such a devotee is dear to me. सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः.
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः
मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
धन्यवादाः. उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः रमा भगिनी.
Thank you.
Next one, 15th verse. Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini. यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः
यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः
लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः
लोकान्नो द्विजते यः लोकान्नो
I'm
द्विजते
unable to hear Swarna Sudhugoni Bhagini.
Now, ma'am, is it okay now? Hello?
हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः
हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः
मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः
मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः.
Please note here, yasmanno dvijate lokah. In some of the books you will see it as loko. Yasmanno dvijate loko. That is also correct. Like I say always, it is because the sandhi is combined and here we have split the sandhi as lokah. Therefore we write it as lokah here. If it is given as loko, then that's because they have combined the sandhi. And harsha marsha bhaya udvegaihi, bha mahaprana here. Muktah. Mukto is when you combine the sandhi, there is no need to split there. We can chant it as mukto. Yaha sa. So when you combine here, it becomes yes. So mukto yes, because it is a visarga sakara sandhi here. So mukto yes sacha me priyah. Yasmanno dvijate lokah लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः
यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः.
हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः
हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः.
यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः
यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. नेक्स्ट वन आल्सो अनपेक्षशुचिर्दक्षः
अनपेक्षशुचिर्दक्षः अनपेक्षशुचिर्दक्षः
उदासीनो गतव्यथः
उदासीनो गतव्यथः उदासीनो गतव्यथः
सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी
सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी
यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः
यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
Here anapekshah shuchirdakshah. When you combine, it becomes anapekshah shuchirdakshah. Combining the sandhi. Udasino gatavyathaha. Tha is mahaprana. Please note that. Sarvarambha, bha is Mahaprana here. Sarvarambha Parityagi Dirgha Yo Madbhaktas Same Priyaha. Bhaktaha sa combines to form Visarga Sakara Sandhi. So Bhaktaha sa becomes Bhaktassa. So Yo Madbhaktassa Me Priyaha. Anapekshah Shuchirdakshah Udasino Gatavyatha.
अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः
सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
The complete shloka. Anapekshah shuchirdakshah udasino gatavyatah sarvarambha parityagi yo madbhaktas sa me priyah.
अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. All of you please note here Anapekshaha Shuchirdakshaha. Here when you combine it is Anapeksha Shuchirdakshaha. Sha is added, not a sa. So a sa should not be heard when you combine. It is Anapeksha Shuchirdakshaha. There is no sa there. Please be careful about that. We will move to the next verse. Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Whoever can, please share your webcam, all the panelists.
Yeah.
Yo na hrishyati na dveshti.
Yo na hrishyati na dveshti. Yo na hrishyati na dveshti.
Na shochati na kankshati.
Na sochati na kankshati. Na shochati na kankshati.
Shubha shubha parityagi.
Shubha shubha parityagi. Shubha shubha parityagi.
Bhaktiman yassa me priyaha.
Bhaktimanyassa me priyaha. Bhaktimanyassa me priyaha.
Here, please note all of you. Yona hrishyati na dveshti. T is a hrasva here, short vowel. So please do not prolong. Yaha na hrishyati. One who does not rejoice, nor does he hate. Na dveshti. So neither becoming overly happy nor being overly sad. So one who is balanced, the one who does not rejoice or hate. And Shubha Shubha Parityagi, the one who sacrifices both Shubha and Ashubha. That is something which is good and something which is not desirable also. So this entire chapter you can see Bhagavan is speaking of having a balanced mind, being even-minded in all kinds, in pain, pleasure, when you're praised or when you're blamed, in honor and dishonor, all that we will come to. Mana, Pamana, Yostulyaha, those verses we will learn. So this is a great guide. This is how Bhagavan says how to have a healthy attitude in life and always be balanced. And when one is like this, it is a blissful state. And how would we achieve it? Again, abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. So let us chant again. यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति
यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति
शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः
शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः
Here bhaktimanyah sa me priyah. When you combine, it is bhaktimanyah sa me priyah. So all verses Bhagavan is saying such a devotee, such a bhakta is dear to me. Sa me priyah. And please note here, it is shochati, not sochati. So there is a difference. I always point out the difference between sa, sha and sha. This is shochati. And here also shubha, shubha. Sha, shubha, shubha parityagi. Here it is sa, bhaktiman yes. So the differentiation should be made clearly by chanting the entire verse now. Yo na hrishyati na dveshti na shochati na kankshati shubha shubha parityagi bhaktiman यः स मे प्रियः
यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि
चित्रा
न
भगिनी
शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः
धन्यवादाः भगिनी उत्तमम् next verse also चित्रा भगिनी समशत्रौ च मित्रे च
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च समशत्रौ च मित्रे च
तथा मानापमानयोः
तथा मानापमानयोः तथा मानापमानयोः
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु शीतोष्णदुःख I'm sorry शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु
second this sha should be pronounced correctly as sha and not as sa शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु
समसङ्गविवर्जितः
समसङ्गविवर्जितः समसङ्गविवर्जितः
Here please note all of you samaha shatrau when it combines as a sandhi the visarga becomes samashatrau so instead of the visarga we chant it as samashatrau cha mitre cha tatha so the ta first ta here is alpa prana tha is mahaprana tatha so that should be chanted clearly manapamanayoho shitoshna see this sha is she here it is ushna sha so that you twist the tongue more than this sha shitoshna sukha dukkheshu kha mahaprana and shu here is a hrasva a short vowel so please do not prolong it samaha sangavivarjitaha samaha when it combines when the visarga combines with sa visarga sakara sandhi samasanga vivarjitaha so here Bhagavan is saying one who is even minded or balanced with a friend with a friend mitre or with a foe or an enemy, shatrau. Mana apamanayoho, in honor and in dishonor, in heat and in cold, in happiness and pleasure, who is samaha, who is even-minded or balanced. Sangha vivarjitaha, without attachment. So this again, Bhagavan is describing the qualities of a great devotee. Samashatrau cha mitre cha tatha manapamanayoh.
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः
शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखेषु समसंग विवर्जितः.
शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः.
The entire verse. Samashatrau cha mitre cha tatha manapamanayoh shitoshna sukha dukkeshu samasanga vivarjitah.
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Next one, Neha. Neha, please unmute and share your webcam. Tulya ninda stutirmauni.
तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मौनी तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मौनी
Santushto yena kenachit.
संतुष्टो येन केनचित् संतुष्टो येन केनचित्
अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः.
अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः
भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
Uttamam. Here Aniketah Sthiramatihi. When you combine, it becomes Aniketas Sthiramatihi. Visarga Sakara Sandhi. Sthiramatihi, someone who has a very resolute, strong mind, unwavering mind. Sthiramatihi. And here Bha again is Mahaprana. Bhaktiman. Bhaktiman me Priyo Naraha. Tulya Ninda Stutirmauni. Santushto yena kenachit.
तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्टो येन केनचित् तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्टो येन केनचित्
अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः।
Uttamam Neha. Next verse also. ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदम्
ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदम् ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदम्
यथोक्तं पर्युपासते
यथोक्तं पर्युपासते यथोक्तं पर्युपासते
श्रद्धानामत्परमाः
श्रद्धधाना मत्परमाः श्रद्धधाना मत्परमाः
I'm sorry, I think I'm not able to hear you clearly, Neha. Don't know why. Bhaktastetiva me priyaah.
भक्तास्तेऽतीव मे प्रियाः भक्तास्तेऽतीव मे प्रियाः
Here, please note all of you. Ye tu dharmyamritamidam. Dha is Mahaprana here. Here, this word is Amritam. Please note the pronunciation of that word. It is Amritam. Sometimes there is a tendency to chant an extra ma there. There is no extra ma. It is Amritam. It is a Gunitaksharam. So, m plus r. That is a, I, e, u, r. That swara is there. So dharmyamritamidam yathoktam. The tha here is Mahaprana. Paryupasate. Shraddhadhana. Please note this word. That is this first Sanyuktakshara here. Shraddha. This da is Alpaprana. Dhana. Dha is Mahaprana. Only the second dha is Mahaprana here. So the word should be pronounced as Shraddhadhana. Mat paramaha. Bhaktaha te ativa me priyaha. Bha is Mahaprana. Bhaktaste ativa. Purva Rupa Sandhi. So instead of a, you get this avagraha chinha. Bhaktaste tiva me priyaha. Let us repeat. Ye tu dharmyamritamidam yathoktam paryupasate.
ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदम् यथोक्तं पर्युपासते ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदम् यथोक्तं पर्युपासते
श्रद्दधानामत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः
श्रद्दधाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः श्रद्दधाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः
I got a question if it is dharma or dharmya. The word in this verse is dharmyamritamidam. So it is, you have a year here. It is not dharmamritam. It is dharmyamritam. Note the word, the year here. Dharmyamritamidam. Ye tu dharmyamritamidam yathoktam paryupasate shraddhadhanamat paramaha bhaktastetiva me priyaha.
ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदम् यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्दधाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः
Uttamam Neha. Next also, Neha, can please continue. Om Tat Saditi.
ॐ तत्सदिति ॐ तत्सदिति
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
उपनिषत्सु
उपनिषत्सु
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
योगशास्त्रे
योगशास्त्रे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे
भक्तियोगो नाम
भक्तियोगो नाम
द्वादशोऽध्यायः
द्वादशोऽध्यायः
So like you know, after every chapter we have a conclusion. So this is the conclusion for the 12th chapter. I will repeat this once again. Om Tat Saditi Shrimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Nama Dvadashodhyayah. Neha? Okay, Neha's video is frozen, looks like. I will repeat this once more, then revision of today's verses. Om Tat Saditi Shrimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Nama Dvadashodhyayah. We have completed the 12th chapter, Bhakti Yoga. A quick recap of the verses which we learned today, that is from the 12th verse onwards till the last verse. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat jnanadhyanam vishishyate dhyanat karma phalatyagah त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम् अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकः लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान् यः स मे प्रियः समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतः स्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्दधानामत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः. We have concluded the 12th chapter. We began this Navaratri and we concluded the 12th chapter also this Navaratri. So next class we will have revision, Punaravartanam. I will chant the 20 verses. Then I will ask each of you to chant individually. Please do practice. Whoever can, please try memorizing the verses, and you can test yourself next class when I call out your names. 12th shloka, 15th verse, there is a doubt. 12th shloka, 15th verse, let me go to that particular verse. 12th chapter, 15th verse. Yasmanno dvijate lokaha, lokanno dvijate chayah, harshamarbhayodvegaihi mukto yas sacha me priyah. Adarsh Mahodaya, 12th chapter, 15th verse, I am not sure where you are saying, is there a doubling of da? There is no doubling of da in this verse as I see it. First padam, yasmanno dvijate. No, there is no doubling there. It is yasmanno dvijate. There is no dvitvam there. Yasmanno dvijate lokaha, lokanno dvijate chayah. So whenever that dvitvam is there, I will mention it to you. So here there is no dvitvam. No dvitvam before the. I hope that is clear. Generally, when you see the dvitvam comes when there is a hrasva swara followed by a sayuktakshara, like dharma kshetre. So ma is a hrasva followed by ksha, a sayuktakshara. So dharma kshetre. Similarly, kurukshetre. So there you have the double sound. In this verse, there is no double sound. I hope that is clear. When is the individual chanting session? Next class. So next class is for individual chanting. Dash Ravi Mahodaya, try to memorize the verses. So when you, if you lift your hand here, if you show that you're interested in chanting, I will call out your name. Please try to chant the verses without seeing. Those who are able to memorize it by next week. A very small chapter. We have concluded the chapter today, and let us pray to Goddess Durga Devi this Durgashtami to dispel all evil and for everyone's good health, well-being, happiness, peace, and prosperity. So we will end with the last verse of the last chapter and with Shanti Mantraha. यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. A small announcement. This Vijayadashmi, that is day after tomorrow, coming Monday, there is a Lokarpanam from Vyoma Labs. A lot of wonderful products are going to be released that day in the presence of a very esteemed, learned chief guest who is a professor of Sanskrit grammar and Indology in University of Pennsylvania. So he's a scholar in Sanskrit grammar. So in his presence, we are going to be releasing some wonderful products. You all might have received an email already in this regard. One of them is also going to be the Bhagavad Gita video chanting series. So if you all can join online through Zoom, you would have received the link. If you can join us on Vijayadashmi day, it would be great. So request all of you to make some time and join us on that day for the launch of these products. And we will see you next class at the same time next Saturday for the revision of 12th chapter and for individual chanting. Sarvebhyah namaskaraha. The timing is the same. It is timing of that would be 7 to 8 p.m. Timing of the launch is 7 to 8 p.m. and email would be sent out to all of them who are registered users of Sanskrit from home. So you all might have already received the email. Please check. Otherwise, you will be getting an email to join through the Zoom link. It is from 7 to 8 p.m. on Monday, that is on Vijayadashmi day. Bhagavad Gita next class will be on Saturday at the same time, that is 5 p.m. IST. So I will see you next class. Have a blessed Navaratri and a blessed Vijayadashmi, everyone. Dhanyavadaha. Agami Shanivasare Punar Vilamaha.